Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this vibrant yet subtle makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys would like to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I have already moisturized my skin. For my primer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Face Studio Master Prime Primer and applying it all over my face. I went in with my Carmex lip balm just so my lips are hydrated and ready for liquid lipstick. For my foundation, I went in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation and mixing my LA Girl Luminous Glow Illuminating Cream. I really like the way my skin looks when I mix my illuminating cream with my foundation. For my concealer, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and this is in the shade Pure Beige. To further highlight my under eyes, I went in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and this is in the shade Neutralizer. To set my under eyes, I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and baking my under eyes, and also I'm setting my whole face with the same loose powder. To prime my eyelids, I went in with my Maybelline Concealer. This will make sure that eyeshadows won't budge and also the pigmentation will be better. For my eyes, I went in with my Wet n Wild Glows in the Air eyeshadow palette and going in with this transition shade and applying it into my crease. To deepen up my crease, I went in with this dark brown shade. Going in with this nude pinkish shade and applying it onto my eyelid. To get the most pigmentation out of the shade, I went in with my setting spray and sprayed it onto my brush. Then I went in with these two shades and I blend it well with my lid shade. To tight line my waterline and also my upper lash line, I went in with my Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. To smoke out my lower lash line, I went in with this brown shade and applying it onto my lower lash line. Using the highlighting shade from the same palette and applying it onto the inner corners of my eyes. For my mascara, I went in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This mascara gives a nice volume to my lashes. For my brows, I went in with Nykaa Brow Chicka Wow Eyebrow Pencil. This product is very much pigmented. Even a light stroke can give you an extreme pigmentation. So be light-handed. For contouring, I went in with my Freedom London Makeup Powder Stroke Palette and using the mixture of these two shades and applying onto the sides or hollows of my face. Also contouring my forehead and my jawline. For blush, I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Blush and this is in the shade Deep Wine. I forgot to contour my nose, so here I'm going in with the same contouring palette and contouring my nose with it. For my highlighter, I went in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder and this is in the shade Precious Petal. For my setting spray, I went in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and spritzing this all over my face. For my lipstick, I went in with my Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick and this is in the shade Gulabi. For my earrings, I went in with these hoops which I think went perfect with this makeup look. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye.